Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and today I wanted to talk with you about some medium-sized plants that we like to use in our landscapes. The first couple I want to talk with you about are abelias. All abelias are drought resistant. They pretty well do fine in the cold weather we have around here. They all bloom a little bit. And if you put them in the right location, you can just let them grow, and they have a neat arcing texture. We use a couple of different types usually. The first one is called Edward Goucher. That one has green foliage, and it's going to get about 4 or 5 feet tall. And then the other one is one called Kaleidoscopabilia. It's more of a dwarf variety, and it's going to get somewhere around 3 feet tall or so, and it has yellow leaves on it. Both of them are great plants. The other couple that I want to talk to you about, or another couple, are in the U family. One is called a Pringle U. The Pringle U is an evergreen plant. All of these are. And it's green, and it's going to get somewhere around 3 feet tall, maybe just slightly larger than that. This one is a great one to use in sun or shade. And it also is great to use on either side of your entry if you want something that kind of frames the entry, but you don't want to have to squeeze past it. The second one that we'll use a lot of times is a dwarf version of that. It's called a Plum U. It's an evergreen plant. It's only going to get about 2 feet tall or so, maybe 2.5, with a neat arcing growth to it, and it looks very much like a fern. And when we put these in, we'll use these frequently around River Rock, and it just has a really nice look, and it's one of our customers' favorites. The next two that I'd like to talk with you about are Nandinas. We use a lot of Nandinas here because they give good color in the wintertime. Both of these they're a special kind of Nandina. One is called an Obsession Nandina, and the other is Flirt. Both of these give a really nice red color, even deeper than the original Nandinas did. The Obsession Nandina, again, this is one we love to use around the entry. It's going to get about 3, maybe 4 feet tall, somewhere in that range. And then the Flirt Nandina is more of a ground cover. It's going to get about 2 feet tall. So these are great to put in front of windows. So those are some of the more medium-sized plants that we like to use around the landscapes. I hope this video helped. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also send these on to your friends and family. This is Ken with Village Green, your neighborhood landscape company.